Hello students, you are watching KASHYAP tutorial and I am Prabhakar Acharya. Students, first part I have made of Vachan Prasansa where I put 3 shlokas translation along with explanation. Now I am going to start second part where the remaining 3 shlokas explanation, recitation, sandhis and samas I tell you as well as translation. And then I'll make third part where I will discuss about the question answer of this Vachan Prasansa. As you know, this chapter is only for translation, so there is less chance to about the answers asked from this chapter. Still, I give you question answer different additional questions also on this chapter. So let's start with the sloka number 4, meanings and recitation. This chapter is about Abdul Kalam, that personality, that great person, motivate the students, encourage the students about the reading. कि पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है, खासकर किताब को पढ़ना और जो यूजफुल किताब है उसी का स्टडी करना. तो here the advantage has been said here, explained here about the reading. Suppose I keeps on reading different useful book, ancient books, then what qualities inculcate in myself. So I'm going to start first sloka. So see first the recitation, sandhi, samas and meanings. So sloka number 4 is Adya yavadhi jnanaya वृत्तपत्रं पठेत् सदा सर्वविध सुविद्यार्थं वाचनम उपकारकम. Once again say अद्य यावद्धि ज्ञानाय वृत्तपत्रं पठेत् सदा सर्वविध सुविद्यार्थं वाचनम उपकारकम. First see the sandhi word here. Adya yavadhi. So it is adya adhik, yavat adhik hi. I will write here. You come to know that. So the first word is adya, adhik, yavat, adhik hi. So these are the three words in very first line in first word. Adya, yavat, adhik hi. Then second sandhi is पठेत अधिक सदा. पठेत is विधिलिंग लकार form, प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन और परस्मय पद. पठेत अधिक सदा. And the third sandhi is वाचनम अधिक उपकारकम. वाचनम अधिक उपकारकम. One samas is also here, that is sarvavid suvidyartham. So I show you that later. Sarvavid suvidyartham, what type of samas is this? First we'll start anvay as a meaning and then translation. So let's start with anvay. See what writer said. Manujaha, that is not said here. Manujaha means a subject which is not given here. Adya yavat adhik. So the अन्वय is Manujaha adya yavat ज्ञानाय सदा हि वृत्तपत्रं पठेत् सर्वविध सुविद्यार्थं वाचनम उपकारकम वर्तते. So this is, you can say it is the meaning of sloka. So Manuja means a man. Adya yavat. Adya yavat means for 2 days, up to date. We can say for up to date means updated. Jnanaya for knowledge, for updated knowledge. Sada means always. He means indeed. Vrittapatram pathet. Vrittapatram is newspaper and pathet means should read. A man should read newspaper every day. A man should read always newspaper for updated knowledge. Sarvavid suvidyartham, for all sorts of knowledge, for all types of knowledge. Sarvavid suvidyartham. Vachanam means reading. Upakarakam. is beneficial. So reading is beneficial for all sorts of learning, all useful knowledge. So see the meanings here, translation. Indeed, a man should always read a newspaper for updated knowledge. Reading is helpful, means useful for all sorts of learning. Reading is helpful. Reading is helpful or useful for all sorts of learning. Once again, say, indeed, a man should always read a newspaper for updated knowledge. Reading is helpful, means useful for all sorts of learning. So this is the translation of sloka number 4. Let me tell you in Hindi also. मनुष्य को हमेशा अवश्य ही हमेशा समाचार पत्र पढ़ना चाहिए अगर उसको अपने आप को अपडेटेड नॉलेज है और उसको अपने आप को अपडेट करना है तो कि आजकल क्या हो रहा है, अगर उसको ये जानना है तो उसको न्यूज़पेपर बेस्ड तरीका है पढ़ने का, न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ के ही वो ज्ञान प्राप्त कर सकता है. रीडिंग इज हेल्पफुल फॉर ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ लर्निंग. एक रीडिंग ही मतलब एक वाचन ही ऐसा तरीका है जो आपको हर एक तरह का ज्ञान मुहैया कराता है. आप हर एक तरह के ज्ञान को प्राप्त कर सकते हो किसी दूसरे के मदद के बगैर अगर आप रीडिंग करते हो तो. सो दिस इज द ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ श्लोका नंबर 4. I told you one समास is there. So समास is सर्वे विधाः. So सर्व विधाः कर्मधारय समास. So सर्वे विधाः, it is कर्मधारय समास type. Now start with sloka number 5. This sloka is said about the useful term, means it alerts about the wasting of time. A student should not waste his or her time in aimless wandering, etc., etc. So just see the sloka and then try to understand. Sloka is वृथा भ्रमण कुक्रीडा परपीडापभाषणैः कालक्षेपो न कर्तव्यो विद्यार्थी वाचनं श्रयेत्. वृथा भ्रमण कुक्रीडा परपीडापभाषणैः कालक्षेपो न कर्तव्यो विद्यार्थी वाचनं श्रयेत्. The C संधि word here. Sandhi is कालक्षेपः अधिक न, and the second word is kartavya adhik vidyarthi. So these are the two sandhis in sloka number 5. Now samas word. Vrutha brahmanam cha kukrida cha parpida cha apabhashanam cha dentaihi. Once again see, vrutha brahmanam cha kukrida cha parpida cha apabhashanam cha taihi. So this is iterator dvand samas type. Now see the Anvay. First see Anvay, the meanings and translation. Vidyarthi bhi. That is the first word that is not given in the sloka, but that is the actually subject in passive voice in Tritiya Bahuvachan. ये तृतीया बहुवचन में subject दिया गया है. विद्यार्थी भी वृथा भ्रमण कुक्रीडा परपीडा अपभाषणैः कालक्षेपः न कर्तव्यः विद्यार्थी वाचनं श्रयेत्. Now see the meaning. Vidyarthi bhi. As it is Tritiya Bahuvachan, so its meaning is by the students. Vrutha Brahman means aimless wandering. बिना कारण के घूमना. Vrutha Brahman. Kukrida. Kukrida means playing bad game. Playing bad game means जो गेम जो हानिकारक है या कोई हमारे फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए नहीं अच्छा है वो गेम खेलना. परपीड़ा ट्रबलिंग अदर, दूसरों को परेशान करना. परपीड़ा मीन्स ट्रबलिंग अदर. अपभाषणैः बाय यूजिंग अब्यूजिव लैंग्वेज बैड वर्ड्स मीन्स किसी को अपशब्द कहना. इस तरह कालक्षेपः न कर्तव्य. कालक्षेप मीन्स वेस्टिंग ऑफ टाइम. न कर्तव्य शुड नॉट बी डन. इट इज पोटेंशियल पैसिव पार्टिसिपल तव्य प्रत्यय. So wasting of time should not be done by the students just by aimless wandering, playing bad game, troubling other and using abusive language. then what to do? So it is said Vidyarthi Vachanam Shrayet. Vidyarthi means a student, Vachanam means reading, Shrayat means should resort. A student should resort to read or reading. स्टूडेंट को रीडिंग करना चाहिए. If you are a student, you are thinking that you are a student, then you must read a textbook instead of playing bad games on the mobile or wasting your time in talking and etc etc. So अगर आप ये करते हो, then your vocabularies will increase, you will get different types of knowledge, your general knowledge also improve, and you will become master in the particular language. If you are reading a certain book, you become master, you will have also command on that language. Now see the translation. A student should not waste time in wandering aimlessly, playing harmful game, troubling means bothering others, and by abusive talk. In fact, a student should resort to reading. Once again see, a student should not waste time in wandering aimlessly, playing harmful game, troubling or bothering others, pinching others, and by abusive talk. In fact, a student should resort to reading. So this is the translation of sloka number 5. Now we'll start sloka number 6. So today we'll complete just we'll keep only till 6 slokas. In third video, I'll discuss about the question answer of this chapter. Now sloka number 6. In this sloka, the benefit of learning and how the learning means knowledge help in the different ages has been explained here. So let's start with recitation, with reading. The sloka is Vachanam Jnanadam Balye Tarunye Shila Rakshakam Vardhakye Dukha Haranam Hitam Sadgrantha Vachanam. Once again see, Vachanam Jnanadam Balye Tarunye Shila Rakshakam Vardhakye Dukha Haranam Hitam Sadgrantha Vachanam. Now see the Sandhi word. Here you will see the Sandhi word, not a single word is given, but the samas are there. Here in this sloka there are 4 samas. So first one is Jnanadam. So it is Jnanam Dadati iti Jnanadam Uppapad Tatpurush Samas. Once again say Jnanam Jnanadam, the converted into Dadati in Lat Lakar present tense Ekvachan singular form, so it is Uppapad Tatpurush Samas. Second one is Shila Rakshakam. So Shilasya Rakshakam. Shilasya Rakshakam Shashti Tatpurush Samas. Third is Dukha Haranam. So again Haranam is Harati, made of Harati Kriya. So it is Uppatatpura Samas. Dukkham Harati iti Uppatatpura Samas. And the last one is Sat Grantham. If I take only 2 words, Sad Grantha, then it is Sat Grantham Karmadhare Samas. And if I take whole word, complete word, then it becomes Sadgranthasya Vachanam. That means Shashti Tatpura Samas. Sadgranthasya Vachanam means Shashti Tatpura Samas. Now come to Anvay. Vachanam Balye Jnanadam. Vachanam Balye Jnanadam Tarunye Shila Rakshakam Vardhakye Dukha Haranam Bhavati Atah Sadgrantha Vachanam Shrayet. Once again see, Vachanam Balye Jnanadam Tarunye Shila Rakshakam Vardhakye Dukha Haranam Bhavati Atah Sadgrantha Vachanam. Now see the meaning. Vachanam, that is the subject. So reading. Balye in childhood. Balye means in childhood. Jnanadam. Jnanadam is gives knowledge. It gives knowledge. So reading gives knowledge in childhood. Tarunye means in youth. Tarunye means in youth. Shila Rakshakam. Shila Rakshakam means Shil means character and Rakshakam means guards. So it guards the character in youth. Vardhakya in old age. Vardhakya means in the old age. Dukha Haranam. Dukha Haranam is wards of or remove sorrow. Wards of or remove sorrow, takes away sorrow. Ataha, Ata means hence, Sadgrantha Vachanam Shrayet. Reading good book is beneficial. Hence, reading good book is beneficial. So now see translation. Reading gives knowledge in the childhood. It guards the character in the youth. It wards off sorrow in the old age. It takes away sorrow in the old age. Hence, reading good books is beneficial. Hence, reading good book is beneficial. So this is the translation of the last sloka. I hope you understood. I gave you all the meanings of this sloka because this sloka is so simple that you can write translation yourself instead of depending on any reference book or any other book or any other teacher. If you prepare translation like this way, then you will be able to write the translation, and as it is clearly mentioned that this chapter is for Sarlartham, so slokas will come from here, and one more chapter is there, that is मानवता धर्म. So ये दो चैप्टर से ही श्लोका ट्रांसलेशन आने वाला है. So if you prepare, definitely you will get full marks here. So thank you watching for this video. Vachan Prasansa watching this video, and very soon I am going to release the third video related to this chapter where I will discuss about the exercise. So once again, thank you.